Hi everybody out there in YouTube land. Slob on my knob. The party last night, it was a doozy. Nice curvy blonde, she was a floozy. Like any other party, there was a big mob. I blinked twice and threw some slob on my knob. A slob on my knob, a slob on my knob. Felt so good, all the slob on my knob. We walked in and started to blend. I saw a foxy chick with a killer hind end. I spoke to her and she knew a spot. Girl, I said, you are really, really hot. Slob on my knob, slob on my knob. It felt so good, all the slob on my knob. She was fine too. We made our way through and grabbed ourselves a brew. With her in front of me, we had a nice view. I stopped and turned around and then she said, drop those pants, boy. Then she gave me some head. A slob on my knob, a slob on my knob. It felt so good, all the slob on my knob. Slob on my knob, a slob on my knob. Her slob felt so good on my knob. Bye there, YouTube land.